traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I still think this is very likely to go up and make an expanding flat. I still think this is likely a wave A. I think this is three waves down for an A, B, C, and B. I think this is going to end up making it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of an expanding flat or a running flat wave C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this 5 waves up right here. It's likely to be a wave 1. I think this right here is a WXY wave 2. The wave 1 is actually over here. This is a wave 2, so this would be a subdivision of wave 3. So a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and I think we're now in that wave 3 of 3, and I believe that it will continue on these higher time frames to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame, the euro dollar has overall been very, very strong compared to most dollar pairs, mostly because of the euro, not because of the dollar. Definitely in an uptrend, which means I am looking for longs on sort of time frames. I'm looking for pullback entries. I'm looking for longs, like I was just explaining on the higher time frames. I think we are in a wave 3 of 3, which means we definitely want to be trading with the trend to the long side. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last wave, not the whole trend, but just the last wave, because if this continues to trend, then this move down should only be a crescent to this last push up. So I'm definitely looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down to a Fibonacci level. Whichever Fibonacci level it may be doesn't really matter, as long as I am able to recognize 3 waves down and pulsive up at a fib level. That is exactly where I will be looking to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely already got impulsive down, probably likely already a wave A. 1, 2, 3 up, probably likely a wave B. Most likely we are in a wave C right now, so if it does go down to one of these last 2 Fibonacci levels, make a nice big engulfing move to the upside, then that is definitely going to be the entry that I'm waiting for the continuation of the uptrend. I personally am waiting for a long. I'm not looking to go short at all, and I'm looking to go short only if it breaks this low right here. If it does break this low right here, then I will definitely go back to looking for shorts. Otherwise, I am definitely looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.